Hi friends, it's Maya coming to you with another video, and in this video my friends I'm going shopping for some personal care items, and I just want you to come along and see what I got. I should buy a mascara. Okay, you know what, let me do it. So my friends, I just wanted to show you a few things that I've got from my local drugstore, Shoppers Drug Mart. So I went to just go get a little bit of personal stuff that I wanted. So I'm going to show you. I now buy my makeup at the drugstore. And normally I would wear MAC product or I don't know if you guys remember Fashion Fair. Fashion Fair makeup is what I normally would have worn, but I haven't worn Fashion Fair in a long time. But then I moved over to MAC, and MAC makes good foundation. But I also discover the drugstore brand, and this is Fit Me, and I think Maybelline makes Fit Me. Yeah, Maybelline does make Fit Me. And honestly, my friends, I got my color and match it up, and I've been using this for a while now. So I love the drugstore brand. This was $6.99 on sale, so from $12.99. So it's a really good price now. And when it's on sale, I normally, make sure I buy my foundation, and then of course the powder. And this is 355, number 355, and it's coconut. Yeah, it's just coconut. The color is coconut. 355, and I always buy the powder and the foundation, and this is $6.99 each. I love it. It really looks nice on your face. Nothing beats MAC or Fashion Fair, but this comes a close call, my friends, and I always can find my shade now. So, you know what I mean? Go out and get some at your local drugstore. Look for these. And as I said, this is number 355. In the summer, I end up still wearing this, but I know that sometimes the complexion gets a little bit darker in the summer, but I still end up wearing this shade in the summer as well. So I got myself foundation and powder. Nice finish, guys, honestly. So I like to buy these. These are extras. Okay. And mascara. This is Rimmel mascara. Now, I do buy mascara, not as often though. I end up throwing out a lot of mascara that I haven't worn in a while. But I don't really wear makeup per se unless I'm going out or something. The foundation and the powder is all that I wear to work. Nothing else, right? Just these two, just for a nice little finish. Ever so often I do wear mascara though. So I picked up this at my drugstore, Shoppers Drug Mart, and this was on sale for $4.99. So I just wanted a black mascara, nothing fancy, nothing expensive, and this is full body volume, I think. Yeah, and this is the extreme black. Yeah, I was watching a YouTuber. I think her name is, can't remember now, Felicia from Feminine Fancy. Yeah, and she was just, I can't remember the video that I was watching, and she said all you really need is mascara and a red lipstick. So I went out. This was the perfect time for me to go and grab my mascara. As I said, I threw out the ones that I had in my purse for a while. So I bought myself Rimmel. Maybe let me open this and see what it looks like. So here it is, my friends. This is what it looks like. Very rich. Right, so if you guys can see that. Rimmel. Now it says it's infused with 4 luxurious oil. Yeah, long lasting and flake proof, easy to remove, give instant boost. But yeah, so this is the mascara that I bought. And as I said, this is a extreme black. I love it. You know what I mean? I'm liking it. $4.99. I thought, you know, you can't go wrong with that. And then, of course, as I said, you know, I was listening to Feminine Fancy, and she was saying, all you need is a mascara and a red lipstick. So I purchased myself a red lipstick, and I also listened to Angela Marcella, I think her name is. Wonderful, wonderful woman. I love her. And she was, she has videos for women over 40. So I'm enjoying her as well. And she also mentioned about a nice red lipstick. So I decided to purchase a red lipstick because all my lipsticks were actually beige browns because I really like that you know, the beige and the neutral colors in lipstick. But I picked up a red lipstick, and this is, it says Blazing, it's called. 130 is the color, and it's quite red. And this is the same Rimmel brand of the mascara, right? So the same brand of mascara, and this was also $4.99. This is why I picked it up at the drugstore. Oh, right, just to add a little bit of color. It looks pretty. I don't know. We'll try and see. So yeah, so another one of my personal, oh man, I think I spin it too hard, and now it's okay. So here we go. So here it is, my friends, the lipstick, and it's a beautiful color. Beautiful color. See? Close it up. And another thing I bought, personal item I bought, of course I bought Lady Speed Stick, and this is invisible. Love this. I've always bought this. This is the one I always use. Now this has gone up in price. These are like $3.99 when you usually could get them for $2 at Shoppers Drug Mart, the local drugstore. I don't know if Walmart has it cheaper. But I like using the invisible when I have on a black dress, because the whiteness, you know, that white residue that you get doesn't show up. So I'm really liking this, and it's 24 hours. It usually lasts. Perspiration under control. Yeah, so Lady Sweet Stick is the one that I always get. And as I said, it's invisible, and this is a powder fresh. So it has like a mild baby powder scent to it. But as I said, if you put on a black dress or, you know, black top, it doesn't leave a residue. So I really like this one, and I've been buying this for years. But the price keep going up and up and up. Okay, so my friends, I think I showed you guys this before. This is Live Clean Baby Lotion. Now, my friends, this lotion, I tell you, is really, really good on your baby's skin. And especially if you want the baby to fall asleep and sleep a little bit nicer. It does have, it's a calming bedtime. So it has a little bit of lavender in it. Yeah, lavender, and I think jasmine is also in here as well. Yeah, lavender, jasmine, and vanilla. Really, really nice, refreshing scent. Yeah, so this is Live Clean, as I told you, right? Live Clean. Now, why I love this so much is, you know, I use this as a part of my nighttime routine. So when I bathe and they get ready, I normally apply this on my arms, on my neck area, because that's calming bedtime. That lavender jasmine scent, it just helps me to calm down, and it helps me to fall asleep or quicker, right? So this is why I always buy the baby brand, because I love the scent in it. It's mild, and as I said, it's a part of my nighttime routine now. So always manage to pick one of these up. Now these are 10.49, and sorry, this is 8.49, and it's the 227 milliliters. And I mean, it's it's fairly expensive for such a small bottle, right? But you get what you pay for, right? And as I said, baby scent, live clean, eco-friendly, says 97% plants ingredients in here. And I just love it. Love it, love it, love it, honestly. You have to, you guys need to get one of these. Oh my gosh, really, really nice smell. Yeah, and I just have one more to show you. Let me put this back. And I bought these, my friends. These underwears from the Bay. They're on sale now for $21.99 for 3. They're on sale. So I think they were $25 before for 3 pairs. But these are French cut. Really, it fits really, really nice. 100% cotton, my friends. This is why I buy it. I always buy only 100% cotton underwears. And I absolutely love this. This is a size large, right? But very, very comfortable. This is how it fits. How it looks on your body, or whatever the case may be. This, French cut. But as I said, my friends, 100% cotton, very, very comfortable. Now the Bay has a sale. I'm going to put the link to the last haul that I did. I think it's the shoe haul that I purchased some stuff from the Bay, and I'm never disappointed. Well, yeah, I shouldn't say. I got disappointed with the bra because I bought the wrong ones. But anyways, I'm going to put a link below to that video. But if you get a chance to go in and buy jockey underwears from the Bay or wherever it's sold, and you go and buy it. And I mean, 100% cotton, my friends, and a comfortable fit. I really, really like the jockey brand. See, oh, it was $32 and it went down to $21.99. $32, my friends, to $21.99, and this is why I grab it. And these, the jockey kinds, I've been using for years, and really, really comfortable. And I always only wear black underwear. So I want to show you guys this. And that's basically it, my friends, for my haul. If you do go out and get some, let me know what you got. This is it. Shoppers Drug Mart, my local drugstore, all these items. Well, thank you for watching, my friends. Go ahead and say it. This is my time, and I deserve something better.